GorgeousOneMink. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I kind of revamped this wig. I'm going to straighten it and kind of, kind of fix it up. So this is the before look. See how it's all matted and stuff? This is the before look. And I will be back with the after look. Guys, I'm almost like midway through, and basically what I'm doing is straightening out this hair. You can see the before right here. It was curly, really curly. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I will let you see the end results, and I'll explain. I don't remember the name of this wig, but I'll at least explain the brand name. But this is how it's coming out so far, guys. Okay, guys, in case you want to see how am I doing this, I just take a piece of hair, like from right here, piece of hair, and I put this back up, and then I brush this out because I don't want it to be tangled before I straighten it out. It's good to have clips so all that hair won't be in the way. And I'm using a straightener. And you just go to the roots, the scalp, and come, well, of course you don't have a scalp, but you know what I mean. You go straight down like that. And this temperature is not on 400, it's on 360 because I did not know, how high I could have had this. So just to be on the safe side, I did 360, and it's working out perfectly fine. And there you go, you guys. I'll show you how I trim after I do the whole head. Okay, guys, I'm using the hot comb to kind of flatten it right here. And I didn't glue this this wig down. I really love this hot comb. I got this one from Walmart, and it plugs in, as you can see. You don't even really have to use the comb. You can use this one as well, this side like this, to flatten that out like that. So throughout the whole head, you do that. Now this is on a 10 setting on here. It's a 10. It goes different temperatures. This is my first time using this hot comb, and I really love it. Okay, I kind of got it to where I want it to be before I cut it. And if you want, you could do your ends to make sure they're not, kind of matted looking. Got a knot right there. It's coming out really good so far. And I'm about to go ahead and trim it so you guys can see. Oh, I just burned myself. Oh my goodness. And so y'all can see, and this is really hot. Alright. See if y'all can see how it looks. Now we're gonna trim it. If you can see these ends like this. See if y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and trim that. And you don't want to bluntly trim it. It's not going to look great. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, we're going to trim. I'm going to show you how to trim it. And the reason why I got it sitting out like this so you can actually see how I'm trimming it. You don't want to go like this. It's going to be too bluntly. So you're going to go like this. Side to side like that. See? It's not bluntly cut it, and you can go in between the hairs like this. Now, I'm no professional cutter, so you don't have to take my advice, but this is how I cut mine. Kind of like go at an angle with it. But never go like this. Never go like that. But that's basically how I do it, and I'm going to do that with the rest of the hair. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is the final look. It kind of gives me these perm, like, you know, right after you did your perm, this kind of look. And I love it. I trimmed it a little bit, not too much, you know. I also will include the clip somewhere in this video of the name brand of this wig, because I really don't remember the name of it. But this wig has you can curl it. I think you can curl it at 400 degrees because I was at 360 and it was doing really well. It didn't even seem as though it was melting or anything like that. And I noticed on the tag it also said heat resistant, so it could take heat. Definitely it could take heat. But this, I love it. I really love it, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.